So this is a IBM Thinkpad T42. I'm going to install XP on it. Check out that old thing here. All right, F8, I agree. Where's F8? There it is. To repair the selected partition, press R. To continue installing a fresh one without repairing, press Escape. So we'll just do, what do you mean repair? We don't need to repair it. Enter install. Alright, delete. Let's see, we're going to delete the partition because it's bad. Well, it looks like it's already been deleted, but we're going to do it again. May contain diagnostic. To delete this partition, press enter. To delete this partition, press L. Okay. There we go. Alright, to set up, press enter. Format it using, let's do it quick. How about that? Quick. So yeah, this is an interesting little machine. Looks like it has an Intel Centrino processor. There we go. It does have an issue with the backlight. I noticed it likes to dim and come back in and out. So it's been on for a couple minutes now, so I think it's okay. I've had to reboot it a few times to get it to stay on. But it looks like it's a pretty nice machine. It's very well quality built. The monitor hinge is really strong. It does have a CD drive that you can just pull out really easily. And on the side here you got the VGA. On this side you have you have two USB down there, your oh gosh, the other little plug for keyboards and mice, 56K modem, and your Ethernet and microphone speaker. And then you also have a spot where you can put a card in there. And you have your little LED indicators here. So you have your Wi-Fi indicator, I believe your caps lock, activity, not sure what that is, battery, and sleep. And on the back, we've got the power plug and a serial port, I guess, is what it is. And the battery would go right here, but there's no battery on here, so. And then you can also see that the lights show up on the top too when you close it. So I'll let this install, I'll come back and show you some more on it. And after like 40 minutes of install, here we are. Welcome to Microsoft Windows. Let's spend a few minutes setting up your computer. And anytime you need help, click me or press F1. Alright, so you can protect me. Thanks. Next. Who will use this computer? At least one name must be used. Alright, well, we're gonna just name it user. Thank you. Congratulations, you're ready to go. Let's see. Welcome. Oh yeah, check that out. Look at that old Windows XP Bliss wallpaper. Now, we can look and see what this baby actually has. So, we have a Pentium M processor, 1.6 gigahertz, 512 megabytes of RAM. Oh yeah. Alright, and now I will, oh, no antivirus software. Okay, well I just installed it, so give me a freaking minute. Take a tour of Windows XP. Play the animated tour. Alright, do we have actual speakers on this thing? Because I don't know if we do. Oh, does this actually have the little light? I think this actually has a little light right there. But will it work? That's the question. Alright, let's see. Oh man, how am I supposed to do this? Alright, hang on. It does. Oh my god, would you look at that? How freaking cool. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. Where are our speakers, or how do we turn that up? So we got our brightness. Trackpad, monitor thing, maybe? Oh, it's right there, right in front of my face. But does it work? I don't think it does. Yeah, I don't think it has any sound drivers. Play the animated tour. Let's see, how does it look? Oh, how nice. Isn't that fancy? Boop-a-doo. Oh, okay. Alright, well let me go ahead and do some driver hunting here and see if I can get these speakers to work. Alrighty, so this came with the Windows XP install that I had was with Service Pack 2, and unfortunately, when you go to Internet Explorer, anything that is HTTPS will not come up, which is basically the majority of the internet. So just to show you here, this website will not come up. If you try to go to, I think Google didn't even work. Nope, Google doesn't work. Bing works for some odd reason, so cool. That's nice, Bing. CNN doesn't work. I don't think. No, it'll search for it, but it won't take it. See, it's HTTPS. Nope, it won't go. So that's one problem. So what I ended up doing was installing this browser called SlimJet, as it was recommended as a browser for Windows XP. So here we have Google. That works. It actually even plays YouTube videos. Not very well, but for something that only has 512 megabytes of RAM and a slow-ish processor, it seems to work just fine. So we just click on a video here. You can hear the fan just starting to go up.
Ladies and gentlemen, my first guest this evening
Yeah, it's a little let's see what it's running at. 360p. All right, let's try full screen here. See how bad it is. Oof. Check out that art. Check out those artifacts, man. Yeah. All right. Oh, it's at 480p now. Ooh, it went back down to 360. Yeah, it can't handle it. All right, so that works barely, but it works. Speakers are pretty loud on this, so that's pretty cool. The display is not very good. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I downloaded the unofficial Service Pack 4 here, and I'm going to go ahead and install that, and hopefully it'll update it and make it run a little bit better. So I'll be back after that. So I figured out why it's not really being used anymore, or probably. So, not only is the backlight kind of going out every now and again, it just dies. So, it is, I guess it's overheating, possibly. It's not hot, though. That's the weird thing. Yeah, it's not really hot. So I don't know if there's a reason it's doing that, because it's been running just fine. Anyway, every time I try to do something now, it's just, after a couple minutes, dies. So anyway, it was fun while it lasted, but yeah. Sorry, little machine. Didn't mean to hurt you.